Yo, what's up guys, it's Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the CAPRICO type walker from Bandai. This is the 1/100 scale from the Mecha Xabungle anime. So there we go, we got this very simple looking model kit here, which is one of I don't know, because I didn't still watch the full episodes of the Sabungo, so I don't know if this is an enemy or um, ally for Zabungo. So we got here this kind of funny looking mecha here. So this is like a ground suit from that line, and there it's very cool and very bizarre. So there's nothing much with this kit, because this kit, to be honest, is kit that we need to use glue for it to be assembled. So I think this is the older releases of the Caprico type, because what I mean is the old model kit releases, because this thing still needs to use glue, which is very hassle to apply, because I got so many errors when I first built this, because I thought this would be a nice straight build kit, but I was very disappointed at first. So first disappointment with this kit is I smudged the super glue on the Caprico type window. Supposed to be this is very clear, transparent, but the super glue already scattered on the behind portion of that lens, so it's very blurred now. Okay, so there's nothing much about this kit. As much as possible, I don't like to move this, because all parts here is not perfectly finished, because I didn't apply glue yet for the shoulders and on the pelvis. So there we go, we got this head part here to have this kind of seat with a gun or machine gun attached on the front. So this is like a gun pod. So aside from the pilot figure, or the pilot staying inside this cockpit, there should be one guy sitting on this machine gun pod to blast all the enemies. So we got here the bizarre looking arms, so it can move 360 degrees, but I will not force it to do so, because I might break some pegs here. And for the elbow, there we got a very nice mechanism. Whenever you bend the elbow, this pistons or hinges also move and operate. So for the claw here, we got this kind of claw. You can open wide like that, and it can grapple enemy like that. So there we go to the legs. So the legs here is just a simple leg here. It can kick up to this far and kick back up to that far. And for the knees, it can bend up to this far, and you can see there's this belt attached in the inner thigh portion, and the sheen back part of the sheen. And for the feet, we got just a simple flat kind of feet there, and this one is not yet secured because I didn't apply glue yet. And underneath the crotch, we got here this machine guns. So I cannot adjust it, because it keeps on moving in that direction. I cannot adjust it well. Anyway, there we go. We can adjust a bit by pulling it downward like that. And for the hind part, we got this kind of boosters attached underneath, and we got this vents attached on the back. And as you can see, the leg fell off like that, so I didn't apply glue yet on that part, so I might clean those bad knobs there before I apply the glue. So there you go. So if we're going to compare it with the other master grade kit that I have, so let's compare it with Tourney Gundam, since Tourney Gundam has a very bizarre looking appearance also, and also in the anime, the other suits from Tourney had this bizarre looking aura. So we got here the Tourney Gundam, which is about 19.5 centimeters if I'm not mistaken. So this one is about 18 centimeters in height. So if we're going to compare it with a small master grade scale, we got this Gundam F90Y3 cluster Gundam. So cluster Gundam is of course shorter than the average 18 centimeters height of model kit. So let's compare it with my other tall model kit here. So we got the Jida. So Jida is of course taller than the Bandai CAPRICO type, and we got this non-scale big mecha here, the Giant Robo. So Giant Robo here is of course taller than the CAPRICO type from Bandai. So again, thank you for watching this short review of the CAPRICO type model kit from Bandai, the 1/100 scale from the anime Mecha Xabungle. See you next time.